The drone taxi from Volocopter is one step closer to becoming operational. The Voloconnect, a 4-seat electric VTOL aircraft, made its first flight in May, according to the German company. The inaugural flight took only 2 minutes and 14 seconds, but the maneuvers demonstrated that the machine's production-level aerodynamics and performance stood up in real-world conditions. So far, 3 flights have taken place. The 60-mile range and 155 mph top speed may not seem impressive. They do, however, promise self-driving commuter flights outside of large cities. You could fly to a business meeting from the suburbs. The Voloconnect is a companion to the Velocity, a shorter-ranged eVTOL flyer designed solely for city trips. The Voloconnect is anticipated to begin serving clients in 2026, 2 years after the Velocity is expected to launch in 2024. While it is still a long way off, Volocopter is unusual in that it has many air taxis testing in real-world conditions. Competitors, many of whom have one model or an uncertain schedule for service, are closer to actual commuter travels than the corporation.